Hello, my name is Josue Dominguez, and I attend auto body in the morning. So far, he's coming to the school has been really great for me. I have enjoyed it a lot. I heard about the school from my brother because he came here before me. I think he did HVAC. I don't remember, but he told me about it, and I got help from him. Told me, hey, go here, and my sister also told me, hey, go here. It's a really good program, and I thought about it, and I really wanted to do as a sophomore. I really wanted to come here. I asked my counselor at my school, hey, can I take it? And they're like, oh, no, you have to be a junior. I was like, oh, I was all bummed out at the beginning, but then I was just like, it went on. So then junior year came along, and I was able to take it, and here I am right now. And starting from where I was at the beginning of the school year, and now I've learned a lot of tools that I would not have learned just being at home watching TV or just being outside with my friends. Just being able to learn all these skills that okay, next year I'll be able to go to a job that will pay me this much money. And that's something that not a lot of people are able to do. Sometimes they have to start off really small, work at a fast food place or something really tiny to be able to get paid a lot later on in their lives. And I think that was something that was really cool for me just to learn. And the school has a lot to offer that I like a lot. Like right now, I'm also an ambassador for the school. So that's something that was really cool to me because at first I didn't sign up right away, but I was able to sign up soon enough to do it. So we have this thing that we have a field trip later on. I think it's a shadow day, where basically we're able to go to companies and shadow them all day and see what they do for their like that day. And that's something that's really cool that the school has to offer to be able to show these kids us that okay, this is how a person's life is outside of school. This is what you might be able to do if you go this route to your school, to like this route in your life that you want to do. And I think that's been a really good opportunity for me to learn all the skills that I'm taking right now in auto body, which are learning how to take out dents, pulling a car, being able to weld, something that I would never have done ever in my life until right now. And I think later on, I'm going to take this school next year, which would be something really cool for me to take in the automotive industry area aspect of here. So I really do enjoy it, and I really hope that next year like districts do push it, because what I noticed a lot is that when I went to my school, or even right now at my school, the counselors they don't really push this school, and you really don't hear it besides your friends or family. And I wish that this school would be more out there for other people. But I really do enjoy coming here, and I think it was a really good experience for me so far. That's all I gotta say. Thank you.